something related to that, then definitely we have lots of queries in our mind. Either that is related to your college, courses, your offer letter, or your visa, passport, anything. Then in this YouTube channel or by this community, you will get how to go through with each and every stage with the help of one's example. So guys, in this YouTube channel, I share my own experience, like how I started and how I went through each and every step, and then how I achieved my goal. So today I'm gonna share like how I got my offer letter, or what is conditional offer letter, or what is offer letter, and what's the difference between those, and which is more nicely to have, which has more benefits if you get that one, means everything about that. So if you are interested, just go through with this video. So guys, let's start. So first and foremost question which really raise is what is offer letter and what is conditional letter. At least we should understand what's the difference between these. Okay, so initially, what is conditional letter? So guys, conditional letter means the letter or the acceptance from your college or university which a student get before giving IELTS examination. If you have not done your IELTS, if you have not cleared your IELTS yet, or if you have not filed it yet, and still you want a clear submission or an invitation from your college or university in which you are filing, then you can have your conditional letter. Alright, I hope you got that. And what is offer letter then? Then offer letter means it is also an acceptance from the college, but we get offer letter after clearing our IELTS examination. Okay, I hope you got that. Now let me give you an example to understand it more clearly. Like when I did my IELTS, I gave my IELTS on 10th of October in 2020, and before that I have already filed for the conditional offer letter which I want to have. So at that time Duolingo was very popular. So I gave in Duolingo test, and with the help of Duolingo I had filed for my conditional offer letter. You can even file for your conditional offer letter on the basis of your aggregates which you have secured either on your 12th boards or in your graduation. So guys, this is the best way to just confirm your seat in your college or the university before giving your IELTS examination. This is the best method for those students which do not have so much time, and they want to just secure their time so that they will not waste any minute. So now guys, how to do this, like how can you file this and like that. So guys, now if I talk about how to file that, then either you can do it by yourself, or you can have hire your agents by which they will file for you from your side, and they will get your offer letter, and then they will pass it to you that this is your offer letter or your invitation for your college or from your university. So now how we get it? If I talk about like how we personally get it, then you just go through with your college or your university website, or the college or university which you like the most. Just visit that and you will find an international student center over there. You can ask your queries over there, or you can file your submission or your admission over there, and you will easily get that. If I talk about myself, then I have filed from with the help of my agents. They filed everything from my side because I was new in this side and I don't want to trouble my any procedure, so I did with that. So I hope you got this, and I hope there were some confusion in your mind, and I hope I cleared all those. I want to discuss something, and that is, if you don't have time, then don't waste that time. Okay, if you have less time and your intake is much closer than you, and you are still on your IELTS preparation, then please file your conditional offer letter by which you can confirm your seat in any college like of your choice, and by this you will not face any trouble. Like there are two kind of seats which we face. Like when I'm applying to any college, either they will give me a waive or they will give a paid seat. Okay, so what it is, like waive means they are just freeing me with paying, like the seat is free of cost for me in that college. It totally depends upon your aggregate which you got in your previous schooling or your graduation, whatever. So guys, now you have to clear your if you are pursuing your 12th or your graduation, then you should have good score, because if you will have good score, they can waive you, like they can give you the seat free of cost, or even they can give you scholarship for that, which is really helpful if you have such plans so earlier. So you can just do good in your academics when you are thinking of studying abroad. I hope you got that. So if you still have any doubts related to your conditional offer letter, your offer letter, and something else, you can comment me down and I will definitely check that and answer you as soon as I can. So thank you watching for this watching this video, and if you have still these kind of procedures you are going through, or just you want to have these kind of conversations again, then you can just subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you. See you again.